and then we just came home to a delivery. So this is a Proslat system. So it's going to be wall organization for right here. We just need to take down our old existing one and put that up. So we'll probably be working on that later today or tomorrow. And that's just going to be awesome to be able to organize like our bikes or stroller or any like sports like balls, footballs, lacrosse sticks, and tennis rackets.
Good job, sweetheart.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So this is what the Proslat system looks like up close. Like I said, installation was super easy. It took us about 45 minutes. It's able to fit everything that we need, and everything's customizable. So we could have picked a different color if we wanted to. They had like a beige and they also had a white. This is the charcoal color, which I personally like. And I could choose whatever hooks or shelves or whatever I needed. This is just works for us. We used to have bikes and we actually sold them when we did this garage renovation because honestly, they were just like not comfortable and we cheaped out on it and we shouldn't have. So we're gonna get some new bikes, but right now, honestly, we're not gonna be riding bikes anytime soon with a newborn. So when we do get bikes, I have hooks to hang bikes on here, or I can always buy another section and add on to it.